Hello, hello, all my beautiful, beautiful YouTube people. I'm trying to get the camera in a position where it's, yeah, I've got some issue with the lighting here. So, look, the first thing I want to do is tie back the hair. It's another cooking mission. I've had a bit of feedback from my recipes and cooking that I thought I would elaborate. It's a big word, isn't it? Elaborate. I don't know if I could spell it, but there you go. Elaborate. I'm not about to spell it either. We're cooking the green seafood curry for two people. Me and my, I want to call him recalcitrant, but I don't think he is. He's not that recalcitrant. Brother. And take you along for the journey. Let's get into the mise en place. The mise en place. I believe that I have set everything up with what I need. I've got spoons, knives, chopping board, fish, vegetables. Let's don the Mary Doubtfire. The apron. We're going to cook, everybody. So, welcome again to Dave's channel, where I'm going to show you a very nice meal. My mise en place. Hey? Rice, capsicum, cucumber, curry, sweet green beans, coriander, seafood, coconut or cream, a cup for the rice, pans to cook it in, a spoon, a knife. What more do I need? Probably a few more things. Serving plates. We've got to have serving plates. They're not required yet. So let's just cook the meal. I think first of all we should get the rice on. Let's get the rice on. The rice. So 2 servings. I'm guesstimating half a cup of grain. Okay. Not all of it made it into the cup, but there's about a half a cup of rice.
Flavors dancing like old friends. A pinch of salt, a dash of fire, serving up what you desire.
So we're going to chop up an onion, finely diced, and add to that some finely diced coriander. Oh, we want it nicely diced. Fingers out of the way. Nice sharp knife. Cut your finger in 2. Let's do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, a little bit more there, a little bit more. And chop, chop, chop. So we've got our onion, but what we also want, coriander. We really want that. So we want to go from the root. We want to take the root out and wash the vegetable. Just waiting for the cold water to come through. Yes, we really do want to wash our vegetables. Okay, nice and washed. Nice and washed. Let's get ready to dice it. So hopefully those flavours are going to carry on through into the dish. That's the idea here, is we want these flavours. I'm going to put my fingers up to go into the dish, and then the rest of the is left as a sort of a garnish. It's fry cook time. It's fry cook time. We put the oil in with the water, and let's just see what a sort of fun little experiment we'll have here. Let's stay away because it will pop, but there's a little bit of water in the pan, which shouldn't be there. I think we need to sack our kitchen hand. Okay? The rogue, I tell you. Waiting for that to heat up, I can peel and prepare my snow peas. You just, if you can get it, you get it, and you just take that side off, and then this side, you just take that little hair that runs down the bean. I think the next thing to do is prepare the zucchini and the capsicum. How's the capsicum? Just chop in half so we can de-seed it. And the rest of our zucchini, we just take the plastic off. We'll wash it because it's pretty good. Got started to grow again. Zucchini, everyone. Zucchini. Cooking time's upon us. Cooking time's upon us. And as it up to the very top of the board, cooking time is upon us. Ah, the smells in this kitchen. Addition of our seafood. Whoa, not like that, we're not. But that should cook quite nicely. As you can see, the amount of seafood that's there. We've got our rice going, seafood's in, cooked down is all I can say. Salt, pepper to taste, perhaps. Salt, pepper. Nice ground pepper, and let that just cook off, I think is the way to go. Is to wash our knife and chopping board after it's come in contact with the nice fresh fish. And it's just a good habit to get into, just to clean everything up, get it ready for the next process, which is the vegetables. Now, let's turn that right up, eh? Let's get that sizzling. Sizzling! Let's go and chop some veggies. In goes the capsicum. Well, mostly in. We'll turn our rice right down. We're nearly there with our rice. Beans and zucchini. Very, very roughly chopped. Very roughly chopped. Definitely coming together now. Come on, cook your blubber. I think what we need to do here is put a plate on it so it does cook. We haven't got that. I think the rice is done, mate. I think our rice is done. And one plate. Done. So there you go, that's a bit of a vibrant look at my vibrant dish. Rice with a curry seafood ordeal here in Dave's kitchen. Hey? Dave's Diner. Dave's Diner. Rather be riding cream. And we're now just going to stir it all in a bit. Fold it more than anything. Just folding it in. We'll wipe up later on. I reckon that's a pretty good meal. And you know, if I stay single, then I get to eat it alone and all by myself. Hey? But if I have a partner, well, that's no good. I have to share it, and that's no good. Let's see how it's progressing. Hey? Oh, that's hot. That's what we want, though. We want it hot. I might need an apparatus here. That's hot. Okay, so we'll pop you there.
Yeah, the best food you'll eat.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's nice.
On your tongue.
Pop you there. On top of old Smoky. And just have a bit of a quick, gentle stir.
I whip it up.
I'd say things are cooking nicely in my gumbo. I don't know if you can see that gumbo or not.
Like old.
Look, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it right down.
A pinch of salt, a dash of fire, serving up
right down, because
what
that side
you
of the
desire.
pan is really hot, and this side of the pan isn't. I mean, it's all hot. It still needs a little bit more time, I think. I think it needs a bit more time. That's a hot plate. But our rice, spectacular. Absolutely spectacular. Green seafood curry, coastal curry, cooked by yours truly. Unfortunately, this meal is not budget friendly.